There's a common vitamin mistake that's quietly draining your strength every night, especially if you're over 60. Waking up with heavy, sore legs, struggling with stairs. It's not just aging, it's accelerated muscle loss while you sleep. After 60, you can lose up to 3% of your strength each year, often due to a single bedtime mistake. Studies show millions of seniors lack key nutrients needed for nighttime muscle repair. Take Margaret, 72. She regained her strength by adding one specific vitamin before bed. Her story proves it's possible to turn things around quickly. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 essential bedtime vitamins for seniors ranked from least to most critical, all backed by science. These deficiencies are invisible, but they're robbing you of strength and independence. Start feeding your muscles the right nutrients at night, and you can feel stronger in days. Let's dive in. Number 7 is magnesium, the foreman of muscle repair. After a day of activity, your muscles need to rebuild. Magnesium signals your body to start that process. Without enough, muscle repair is slow and inefficient, especially as we age and absorb less from food. Even with enough protein and exercise, low magnesium means your body can't rebuild muscle properly. A major study found higher magnesium intake directly linked to stronger muscles and better grip strength in seniors. The recommended dose, 300-400 milligrams before bed. It also calms your nervous system for deeper sleep. Choose magnesium glycinate or citrate for best absorption and minimal stomach upset. Every night, your body can either repair or let muscle damage accumulate. Magnesium is the switch. It's not just for cramps. It's essential for over 300 body processes, including muscle function. Take it before bed to fuel your body's most important repair shift. Magnesium isn't just a supplement, it's the foundation for nightly muscle renewal. It helps you sleep deeper and wake up stronger. Start here to take back control of your strength. Look for the right form. Take it nightly and let your muscles rebuild. That's the first step. Number 6 is vitamin B12, the master electrician for your muscles. Strong muscles are useless if the nerves can't send signals. B12 keeps those connections fast and precise. As we age, our bodies absorb less B12, even from foods like meat and dairy. Early signs of deficiency: tingling, poor balance, and muscle weakness. Studies show low B12 leads to faster mobility decline, not from smaller muscles, but from poor nerve communication. Supplementing B12 at night gives your nervous system time to repair while you sleep. Use methylcobalamin, the active form, for best absorption. 1000 mcg is a good starting dose. Sublingual tablets or capsules work well. B12 at night helps restore the wiring between your brain and muscles, improving balance and confidence. If your legs feel slow or unsteady, this could be the missing link. Don't let a communication breakdown hold you back. Take B12 before bed and wake up with better control. It's essential for staying steady on your feet. Number 5 is vitamin D3, the general manager of muscle growth. D3 activates muscle-building pathways, but most seniors are deficient due to less sun exposure. This deficiency is a major cause of muscle loss and increased fall risk. Research shows D3 supplementation reduces falls by directly improving muscle strength. Taking D3 at night, alongside your body's natural repair hormones, maximizes muscle rebuilding. Choose D3, cholecalciferol, not D2, and take it with healthy fat for best absorption. Typical dose 2000-4000 IU, but check your levels with your doctor. D3 unlocks your muscles' growth instructions. Without it, repair stalls. Take it nightly to keep your muscles responsive and strong. It's not just for bones, it's your muscle activator. Don't let deficiency slow you down. Number 4 is vitamin E, the shield that protects your muscles from daily damage. Every day, oxidative stress creates cellular rust that breaks down muscle tissue. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing this damage and preserving muscle strength. Seniors have weaker natural defenses, making E even more important. Studies link higher vitamin E levels to greater muscle mass and grip strength in older adults. Take vitamin E before bed to protect your muscles during their nightly repair. Look for mixed tocopherols, not just alpha tocopherol, for full-spectrum protection. Dose about 15 milligrams, 22.4 IU, taken with healthy fat for absorption. Vitamin E doesn't build muscle, but it keeps what you have safe from breakdown. It's your nightly insurance policy against muscle erosion. Pair it with D3 for a powerful repair combo. Protect your gains. Don't skip this step. Vitamin E keeps your muscles resilient. Number 3 is vitamin B6, the craftsman that turns protein into muscle. You can eat all the protein you want, but without B6, your body can't use it for repair. B6 is essential for metabolizing amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. Seniors often overlook this step, focusing on protein intake but missing the processing power. Research shows higher B6 levels mean better strength and physical performance in older adults. Take B6 at night to help your body use circulating amino acids for muscle repair while you sleep. Use the active form P5P for best results. 25-50 milligrams is ideal. Standard B6 may not be efficiently converted in older adults. B6 ensures your protein isn't wasted. It's woven into new muscle fibers overnight. If you're eating well but not getting stronger, B6 could be the missing link. It's the difference between just eating protein and actually building muscle. Take it nightly for maximum benefit. B6 is the skilled labor your muscles need. Don't let your efforts go to waste. Make B6 part of your bedtime routine. Number 2 is vitamin C, the commander of your body's connective tissue. Muscles need strong collagen to stay connected and transmit force. As we age, collagen production drops, making tissues weaker and more injury-prone. Studies show higher vitamin C intake means more muscle mass and better protection from oxidative stress. Take vitamin C before bed to fuel collagen repair during your body's main recovery window. Simple ascorbic acid works, or use buffered forms if you have a sensitive stomach. Dose 500-1000 milligrams nightly. Vitamin C strengthens the mortar holding your muscles together. It's key for preventing aches, pains, and injuries. Don't overlook this structural support. Vitamin C keeps your muscles and their connections strong. Number 1 is vitamin K2, the master builder directing your body's repair crew. K2 tells calcium where to go, into bones, not muscles or arteries, preventing stiffness and weakness. It also boosts energy production inside muscle cells, improving strength and recovery. Studies show seniors with higher K2 intake have better mobility and muscle quality. Take K2 at night alongside D3 for optimal synergy. D3 helps absorb calcium, K2 directs it. Use the MK7 form for long-lasting effects. 9120 mcg is standard. Take it with healthy fat for absorption. Without K2, calcium can build up in muscles, causing cramps and poor function. K2 keeps muscles flexible, bones strong, and energy high. It's the final piece that ties your nighttime repair together. K2 optimizes your supplements, protects against calcification, and energizes your muscles. It's the master key for waking up stronger. Don't skip this critical step. Make K2 your nightly habit. Unlock your body's full repair potential. You've learned the 7 vitamins that can transform your strength, starting tonight. Muscle loss doesn't wait, but you can stop it with the right bedtime routine. Here's your action plan. Take fat-soluble vitamins, D3, E, K2, with healthy fat. Separate calcium from magnesium and zinc. Calcium in the morning, magnesium at night. Use active forms. P5P for B6, methylcobalamin for B12, MK7 for K2. Be consistent. Take your vitamins at the same time every night. Hydrate. Drink a glass of water with your supplements. Quick recap. Magnesium signals repair. B12 connects nerves. D3 activates growth. E shields cells. B6 processes protein. C builds collagen. K2 directs it all. These are your night crew, rebuilding muscle while you sleep. Imagine waking up stronger, steadier, and more independent in just weeks. Share your routine in the comments. Let's learn together. If you're new, start with one vitamin tonight. Like and subscribe for more science-backed tips from the longevity table. Take action now. Your stronger tomorrow starts tonight. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.